Welcome to this IDRC tutorial for data specialists. In this tutorial, we will look at the XLOOKUP function from Excel. XLOOKUP can be used to find things in a table. The reference table can be on the same sheet, a separate sheet, or a workbook. It returns the corresponding match. This function was released in 2019, so it may not have it, but we will look at VLOOKUP at later videos. Your scenario. In this scenario, you receive a list of students that just moved into your state and might qualify for the program. The list includes their addresses, but no counties. Your task is to match the corresponding counties to assign them to the correct recruiters. This is the list you were provided with. You have addresses, city, state, zip code, student name, and I will begin by formatting this. I'm adding a table. And I will also add a new column that will be my counties. And now I need to find a place that I can find the zip code to correspond with the county. So I go to Google and type in zip code database. And there's one list that has the database updated for June 2023. So I select that. And there are several options, but there's a free option to download. So we would like to download that. So once you download it, you will see the following table. And I like to format this with a table as follows. So here you have the information you need. You have your zip codes, primary city, state, and county, and other information that we don't need now, but it's there. Now let's go back to our student list. Now we have our zip code, and we're going to begin by typing in the formula. So we start with equal, XLOOKUP, open parentheses, select the zip code, then a comma, go to your zip code database, and click the column that has the zip codes. Then another comma, and then select the column that has the counties, enter. Click enter. And there you go. You have all your counties. And because this is a table, it just automatically copies the formula down. Now let's check if there are any errors in our information. So let's filter. And yes, it looks like we have one error right there, an NA. Let's go look at that. So it looks like that's a bad zip code. So we can usually just Google the address and put the zip code, but I'm going to teach you how to look for the zip code, how to look for the county based on the city. So let's do that. Let's go to our zip code database. And because the cities will match other states, we want to filter the state that we're working with first. So let's look for Delaware because that's what we're looking for. And I'm going to copy all of those results into another sheet. And I go back and grab my header, copy, and paste. And then I want to insert a table. All right, great. So now I have the information I need for Delaware. I'm going to rename the tab Delaware and my table as well. Great. Now we go back to our student list. We are going to remove that formula and type a new one. Equal XLOOKUP, open parentheses, select the city, comma, go back to your zip code database table, select the primary city, comma, and the county. And I know this is a little narrow, but you can still select the column, enter. Once you click enter, it just automatically populated here, and you can see the county. So there you go. Now, because all of these are formulas, what I like to do is copy them and paste them as values. So let's do that. We select all of our results, copy, and then you will want to paste values, which is the little icon with the 1, 2, 3 clipboard. And now you only have your values, no formulas. Now let's fix that zip code. Let's add a new column. Let's make this, let's filter down to the missing zip code. Let's make this bigger. And let's go to our database. I'm going to make this wider so we can select it easier. Okay, so we go back to our list and we start typing our formula. Equal XLOOKUP, open parentheses, select the city, comma, go back to your database, select your primary city, comma, your zip code column, and press enter. Now you got it. Now you have your zip code, and we're going to copy that result and paste values. So now you have everything you need. Thank you for watching.